we're here, but when we get the banners up in the arena, and we got a few other things that we're going to be doing, it'll look even much better than it is. And we're actually the next phase, we're going to have a new media room for you guys, and new locker rooms for the visiting teams and the referees, and a new weight room, and then also practice gym. So there's still a lot that will be done between now and probably this time next year. So, but for the game, we wanted to have a few games before we started ACC play in here. This is a good way to get going, and we practiced Sunday night and yesterday in here. But again, for some players, Tia Roll continues to get better. She had a perfect game today, 5 for 5 from the floor, and 3 for 3 from the foul line, and she played really well against South Carolina as well, but she's continuing to play well. And I thought Shayla played well. She had 9 assists. Our defense made a big difference, and we're getting better. Every practice and every week we improve as a team. I'm still playing a lot of kids. I'm telling them, I'm saying, look, I'm giving you chances to play, so you can show me what you can do, so that when we get into the tighter games, then I'll know who I can depend on, who I can go to whenever we need certain things. So Trinity went in there and played well for us today, did some nice things, and Italy's been shooting the ball really well, and had another good game as far as being our leading scorer today. So we're just continuing to work and get better, that's all we can ask, because we got a lot of big games coming up.
How much did it change the atmosphere? It seemed like you had about the same size crowd you've been having, but they're not lost in this building.
Yeah. I don't know what the attendance was, but this is, first of all, it's not as big as the Smith Center, but just the environment over here. The sound baffles in the top, that scoreboard, it's an over $1 million scoreboard, which is really, really nice. The lighting is all new, and it's perfect for our game, but the sound is so much better. And all the individual seats, except for the student section, they'll be over there where the band and the students will be. And we flip-flop the benches for television, because that just would look better, and also we flip-flop the benches and everything. So, but it is you put 4,000 or 5,000 in here, and this is a tremendous environment. It's very, very loud, and you guys probably haven't been down and seen our locker rooms and all, but pretty nice, aren't they, girls? Yeah, they're really nice. So we're still got a lot of things to do, but we'll get there eventually.
Trinity, what was going so well for you today to get your career high?
I was just playing with the team, just in the flow of the game, being aggressive and boxing out, trying to make things happen.
What did you guys think the first time you guys got to come in here? I know you hadn't been in here really before.
Well, we actually had a chance. Coach gave us a tour about 2 days ago, the entire building. And a lot of us were just speechless. We were just looking in and out of each room, and just it was just amazing. And we were just very fortunate to be able to play in a building like this. So we're very thankful.
What did it feel like to play on the court? Was it different? Was the lighting weird? Anything like that?
For me, it brought back memories a little bit from playing before, and having Camille here and Ivory. It was really awesome to have it back. Just thinking how much better it is here. I mean, just now, just the upgrade is so ugly.
Right.
It's awesome.
I mean, the court's still the same as old Carmichael, and I got a chance to play my freshman year. So playing it there again, like she said, brought back a lot of memories. And then the outside is just amazing. Yeah.
Y'all need to see my office.
Nice. I'm moving in.
Now, this right here used to be all of our offices.
Yeah,
you remember? When I was that back corner, we were all 6 of us were in here together in this place.
It's like the side of your office now.
In the first few minutes of the game, did it just take something, just getting used to everything again in the building? You hadn't played it.
I mean, I don't think it was necessarily a building. We just have to get our feel back in general, coming back from that break and whatnot. And just in general, we have to get our feel back. So like Coach was saying, I'm glad we're getting a chance to play these minor games, prepare us for the bigger games. So just getting our whole flow back.
How long does it take before a shooting background is really natural to you?
I mean, I guess it varies because I was feeling it during practice and whatnot. But I mean, I guess it varies for individuals. You have to definitely shoot, take a lot more shots when you're away from the court for a while.
What do you think this new facility is going to do for recruiting?
I mean, personally, I'm just saying yes right away. So I mean, I know it's gonna pull in a lot of recruits, and they're gonna be very pleased with it.
What else?
The museum's gonna be really nice too when that gets done.
All right, thanks, ladies.
Thank you guys.